Welcome to the Circuit News. I'm your host, Omar Lewis. Pi Day was earlier this week, and these former SpaceX masterminds are using their engineering backgrounds to make a different kind of pie. They've created a robot chef that can make 100 pizzas an hour and prepare your order in less than 5 minutes. It's all made in a truck parked right outside of the University of Southern California.
The way I approach life in general is as an engineer, and building a pizza company was just the same thing as building a pizza robot.
Relativity Space has created the world's first 3D printed rocket. The test mission, called Good Luck Have Fun, was postponed last Wednesday after a first attempt for launch. 85% of the prototype rocket, Terran 1, is 3D printed. Relativity Space hopes to send its second rocket, Terran R, to Mars by 2024, making it the first commercial mission to the Red Planet. We've seen how nanotech can self-repair Iron Man's suit, but what if we told you that engineers at North Carolina State University are creating a real-life self-repairing material?
We've basically invented a way for typically strong composite structures, say like carbon fiber you'd see in aircraft or glass fiber composites that you see in wind turbine blades, to be even more resistant to common damage they might otherwise suffer and be able to heal themselves should they become damaged.
They're now looking for government and industry partners for their polymer-based composite for specific use. March Madness basketball is currently underway, but did you know the odds of correctly guessing a March Madness bracket are 1 in 9.2 quintillion? Last year, Microsoft Business Applications Applied AI Group Bracket ranked 21st on the leaderboard, which after 4 rounds was more accurate than 99.9997% of all brackets submitted at the beginning of the competition. So we put the question directly to Microsoft AI.
AI will give you the best odds of something happening. But once they play the game, different things can happen. I am a basketball fan. I really enjoy it. That's why I think it's kind of fun to look at these models, and the models will help you remove your biases. We all have our own biases, and so let's look at the model and see what the data shows to us.
That's all for this week. Thanks for joining us on the Circuit News. Don't forget to like this video and follow us at Circuit News TV.